Fams, EBkicks back again with a brand new video. And if you guys are new to the channel, strolling by and have yet to subscribe, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you enjoy the content you are seeing. Enough talking, let's get into the review. What's good, sneaker fams? EBkicks back again with a brand new video, and today we have something different for you guys to check out. We actually got an icing video, and shout out to the homie Baynerestorations_420 for icing these Foamposites and bringing them back to life. They look brand new, but wait till you guys see what they look like before and some of the process.
Don't gotta be this particular one, but you gotta get some soul sauce, alright? Need alcohol. Need Q-tips. Need a brush. Don't matter what brush, well, it does matter the brush. Alright? Some finger seal. And some tape. Alright? That's what you really need, alright? Here's the other one. How are we gonna get this?